Hey, how's it going? Just our show back. And we're going to dive into this box right here of 6 Funko Pops. Been a while since we did Funko Pops. This was bought off of Amazon. It was fulfilled by Baby Bird Warehouse. So, we're not gonna monologue. We're not gonna get off the beaten track. And here's why. Because I wanted to try to film these next 3 videos, one after another, and it's already a little bit after 7 o'clock. You might think, okay, so, well, excuse me. I have to be at work at 4 o'clock in the morning. So, I want to try to get these done so I can get out and relax a little bit. And then eventually try to get to bed by bed and getting to sleep around 10:30, 11 o'clock. So I can get, a good 3.5 hours of sleep. I know it doesn't sound like much, but when you do it for years and years and years and years, you actually get used to it. The difference, the key is the quality of sleep that you get, not necessarily the amount. I know doctors may say otherwise, but studies I've looked at, just because I'm weird like that, and I look up things, just things pop in my head, and I Google them, and I think, well, what the deal is that? And studies have shown that it is people that actually get to where they're deep sleeping, but for smaller amounts of time, over people that maybe toss and turn a lot but are still sleeping for 7 or 8 hours. The people with the fewer hours but deeper sleep actually perform better. So, alright, here we go. I'm going to set this off to the side. They have a couple of pieces of cardboard on the top, so we'll get those out of the way. I do have my phone with me so we can look them up. Here we go. First one. We've got a Funko Shop exclusive, the Joker King. Bad. Let's check and see. Is there any damage? One little pinhole right here on the front. Barely noticeable. Unless you're doing like me and you're actually looking over it. Overall, I'd still put it at 8 out of 10. Alright, let me bring up HobbyDB. We'll use it to check and see. I don't remember exactly what I paid for this. Actually, let me look that up real quick. I want to say it was like $30-some, I think. But I could be wrong. It happens a lot, actually. Let's see. Come on. It's running slow. Okay, here we go. Alright. Bring this up. Oh, weather alert. Lightning in your area. Isn't that exciting? Okay, I paid $25.50. So you're looking at what, 6 1/4 a piece, right? So as long as they're worth that much or more, I'm doing good. I would imagine this one is. I'm going to guess probably $14 or $15 is what this is coming in at. Could be more. It is a Funko Shop exclusive. Yes, I'm human. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Alright, come on. Well, let me guess, it has me signed out. Yeah, it does. This stupid thing. Hang on, give me a minute. I don't know why. I thought I had it set up to where once I was signed in, I was just signed in. Now let's hope I remember my password. Y'all have that problem? Forgetting your passwords? Yeah, I do a lot. Yeah, alright, so that wasn't the right one. Alright, well screw that. I'm not going to go through the hassle of setting that back up again or whatnot. So we'll use the Funko app. Joker King is, it's coming in at $31.84 on the Funko app. Alright. Well, I'm not going to complain about that if that's what it's trending at. $31.84. So let's keep a running total. Of course, I'll double check that, when I go to list them with HobbyDB. Alright. Next. We've got Yuri on Ice. This has a little bit of damage on its back corner. Yuri on Ice. Never heard of it. I'm guessing it's an anime. Other than that back corner, the rest of it looks pretty good. This came out in 2017. So 9 years old. I've never seen a Funko Pop of Yuri on Ice. Yurio Plasetsky with skates. Only coming in at $10.21. Okay. Next. Number 3. Oh, we have a Donatello 8-bit. Some of those 8-bit pops look really bad in 8-bit. Other ones look good. I think the Mutant Turtle ones actually look pretty cool. I wish I could get rid of this little bit of cough. It's just irritating. And Donatello 8-bit is coming in at $13.95. So not bad. I mean, so far we're doing good as far as making more than what we paid. Next we have a Blacklight Captain America. This is Sam Wilson Captain America from Falcon and Winter Soldier. Target exclusive. The box looks pretty good. There's a little spot there, but I can't tell whether it's... I mean, it doesn't feel like it's actual damage. It looks like it's just the way the light's hitting it. But yeah. I think I have one of these in inventory already. I believe. But Captain America Blacklight is coming in at $6.57. So that one we're actually losing money on that one because I mean if it's only trending at that, I'll and if I'm lucky I might be able to sell it for like $5.99. or maybe bundle it with something else. All right, here we go. Number 5. Ooh. The gingerbread Thanos. I mean, it is a Funko Shop exclusive, but I don't think these went over real well when they came out. I mean, it's in really good condition, so that's a plus, I guess. $8.41. So yeah, I was kind of expecting that. It's actually higher than I thought it was going to be. Alright, last one in our 6 Funko Pop box. We have got the Riddler from the OG Batman TV series. I believe I have one of these. Or I might have sold it already. I like the old, the campy Batman TV series with, Batman, Robin, and of course they had Riddler and the Penguin, the Joker, Catwoman, and all the classic villains on that show. Wonder, did they ever do like a Blu-ray, box set of that, of every episode? I should look into that and see. Comment down below if you know. That might be something I'll have to buy myself. Alright. $17.71. Not bad, not bad. So if we add that, you get a total of $88.69 in value. So it kind of tripled up. So the two that weren't worth very much, the other ones made up for it. So I won't be keeping any of those. So all of those will eventually be listed in most likely my eBay. So if you're interested in any of those, you'll find my eBay moniker down below in the description box. And keep your eye on my eBay. And when it pops up there, make sure you snag it. Although, I don't know whether any of those... that Joker King might be a quick sell. And the Riddler might be. But the other ones, I don't know. Well, that Yuri on Ice. Like I said, I don't know anything about that, so... I guess we'll see. I don't know when those will be listed. Might be this weekend. It might not be for a couple weeks, so... just follow me on all my stuff down in the description box, and that way you'll know. What do you think? Was that a decent pull? Obviously, like value-wise. Even if you knock off, say, even if I only made back, sold them for 50%, which I'm not going to do. But if that's all I made, I'm still coming out ahead. So win-win, right? Alright. Well, that's it. Hey, as always, look out for yourself and everyone around you so you have a much better chance of staying safe and healthy. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Come back, and the next video will be a 6-pack of sealed Funko sodas, searching for those elusive 1 in 6 chases. So make sure you come back for that. Till then, see ya.